Circle, close gaps. Square hits kind of like a AOE. Hits a lot, and then triangle is like a one shot, a strong one shot.
It does, it does. That's how you had your ulti so quick last time.
Did she get the achievement?
No, she needs the kill a player, kill the hammer, where?
Yeah. She wasn't able to kill anybody. That play brick, do not purify, do not purify. No fucking talent.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
Hey. Y'all need to get reses. Oh,
That's
perfect.
not
What side of the keep did you come in on? Mine side or what?
Back.
Hammer, I'm about to be with you. If you fall back just a wee, okay. You're good.
Right.
You're not good. I got you on a barrier in 3, 2, 1. Barrier. Bash it up.
Don't purify, please.
Okay. Fall back. Fall back, hammer. Fall back. Fall back just a little bit. You're good.
Hit the L1 to run fast.
Hey, go to the other side. Make another breach.
Yeah, make another hole.
Make another hole. Yep,
We're here.
right there. Stay in that corner, get a little bit closer. Oh, other side, other side, other side, other side. Like other side, yep.
The other wall.
Other door, other wall. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'll have ulti for you now. Okay.
Make sure it says wall on the top of your compass on the top.
Do you have an ulti ready?
Try the stairs. Try the stairs.
Ooh, so much counter siege, so much counter siege. Get out of
Oh,
that.
they're barraging you.
I'm getting fucking
Heal 'em.
CC'd. I don't have the right fucking gear on.
Yep. There's. Go to the other side. Try this side. Yeah. Alright. R2.
You gotta be
no,
nut hugging
R1.
in
R1.
that
R1.
corner.
R1.
Like,
Yeah,
you gotta
sure.
jump up.
Try
Other side.
the stairs or
Other
the door.
corner.
Ah, fuck. Okay. If you can, yeah.
Barrier out. Alright, right up here.
You can't go through the door and
Hey.
enable. It's not our keep.
Up here. Okay, let's go kill the counter siege up here behind us in the tower then.
Also watch how much life you have, so that you drop it somewhere safe. Okay.
He's getting life from killing everybody.
Yeah. Just making sure. Don't want to drop it in a
On the hammer, guys. Help the hammer.
Yeah, as soon as they see
Okay,
you,
back to that
they all see you.
corner.
Hit the wall, man. Go to the other
Yeah,
side. Go to the other side. Go to the other side. The other
Barrier.
side. Go to the other side. Yeah.
Try the stairs, Doom.
Go
There
up
you
the
go.
stairs.
Like
Yeah, right
right there, or the door.
Front door.
There you
Front door.
go.
Front door.
Yep. Keep
Keep going.
going.
Keep going. You're good.
Get
You're
all the
good.
way up there on the door.
Yeah, you're dropping it. It's at 60, 59, 50, 40.
No, I
good.
just used it, but
Hey,
watch your
don't
back.
go in.
You're good.
Hey, once you break it down, get out. Do not go inside the keep, okay? You break it down the wall, get out the wall. Do not go in. But once you break it down, though.
Get as many as you can. I come back.
Barrier on you now. Get back up there.
Break
Finish
the
the
wall.
wall.
We have the barrier.
Yes, you can. You gotta do it right up here where I am. R1.
Hey, once the wall go down, do not go inside the keep. Do not go inside the keep, okay?
Animal. You already said that.
Okay, good. Thank you. I just, yeah. They're gonna wait for you.
He won't go in.
Okay, good, good.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, someone wants.
GG.
There's a lot of reds coming. Hey, we gotta bail with that bitch. Otherwise, we're gonna lose it. Hey, Doom, you're
Kill him, kill him,
overextended. You're
defend it.
overextended, Doom.
Defend
No.
it, yeah. Defend it, guys. Defend it.
Barrier on you now. Nice. Get him. GG.
There you go.
Okay.
Bye.
Shit, no.